The first station is Main Street Station. Located at the entrance to the park, guests can board the train and take in views of Main Street, USA. Also catch a glimpse of the Disneyland Castle. The second station is New Orleans Square Station. Located near the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. This station features theming inspired by the historic city of New Orleans and its French Quarter. Guests can see views of the rivers of America, the Haunted Mansion, and the Mark Twain Riverboat. The third station is Mickey's Toontown Station. Located in the whimsical and colorful land of Mickey's Toontown. Guests can enjoy views of Toontown's unique architecture and decorations.
Next time natin, kasakay tayo. Kaway kayo doon natin.
The fourth and final station is Tomorrowland Station. Located near Space Mountain and Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. This station features a futuristic and space-themed atmosphere, with views of the futuristic buildings and landmarks of Tomorrowland. Throughout the ride, guests can also enjoy the Grand Canyon Diorama, a large-scale diorama that features realistic scenery of the Grand Canyon, complete with audio animatronics of various animals and natural landmarks. The Primeval World Diorama. It showcases a prehistoric scene with life-sized animatronic dinosaurs and other creatures. As the train passes through the diorama, guests can observe various dinosaur species, including the Tyrannosaurus rex, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, and more. Overall, the Disneyland Railroad ride is a classic and beloved attraction that provides guests with a unique and nostalgic way to experience the park's various themed lands and iconic attractions.